All right, let's dive straight into the juicy stuff. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or as it's more commonly known, AI. Now, the concept of AI isn't as new as you might think. It's been a staple in science fiction for decades. Remember those sentient robots and super intelligent computers? Yup, that's AI. But it's not just a concept in books and movies anymore. It's now a very real part of our everyday lives. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, to put it simply, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create and develop machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This could be anything from recognizing speech, learning, planning, problem solving, to understanding the complex data. Now, it's not about creating machines that can think exactly like humans. No, no.
It's more about developing systems that can execute tasks intelligently in a way that's inspired by human cognition.
Tracing back the history of AI, it's fascinating to see how it has evolved over time. The term artificial intelligence was first coined back in 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. This marked the birth of AI as a field of study. Since then, there have been various phases of optimism, followed by disappointment and the loss of funding, known as AI winters, and then renewed interest. In the early stages, AI research was based on symbolic methods, or problem-solving models. Then came the concept of machine learning in the 80s and 90s. Machine learning, which is a subset of AI, is where the real game changer came in. This is where machines are not just programmed to do tasks, but they are designed to learn from their experiences and improve over time. Kind of like us humans, right? The intersection of big data and increasing computational power in the late 2000s brought deep learning into the picture. This is another subset of AI, and it's basically machine learning on steroids. It models high-level abstractions in data using multiple processing layers. It's what powers the most human-like artificial intelligence. So, from being a concept in sci-fi novels to becoming an integral part of our lives, AI has made a tremendous journey. It's not just about robots taking over the world or super intelligent computers. It's more about how we can harness this technology to solve complex problems, make our lives easier, and create a future that's more efficient and sustainable. AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, and it's very real. Now that we've established a baseline understanding of what artificial intelligence is and how it evolved from a concept in science fiction to a reality, let's delve a bit deeper into the different types of AI, specifically machine learning and deep learning, and their various. So, machine learning, or ML as it's often called, is essentially a type of AI that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. It's kind of like when you were a kid and learned how to ride a bike. No one programmed you to balance, pedal, and steer. You learned it by doing it, making mistakes, and then improving. That's the basic concept behind machine learning. ML uses algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make predictions or decisions. It's used in a myriad of applications. For instance, your email spam filter, that's machine learning. The recommendation engine on your favorite streaming service, yep, machine learning again. Now, let's talk about deep learning. While machine learning learns from data and makes predictions, deep learning takes it a step further. It uses neural networks with several layers, hence the deep in deep learning, to analyze various factors with a structure similar to the human brain. These neural networks are designed to recognize patterns, and they interpret data by creating multiple layers where each layer processes specific attributes related to the data. Deep learning is behind some of the most advanced AI applications, like facial recognition. You know how Facebook can automatically tag you and your friends in your photos? That's deep learning at work. Another significant application of AI is predictive analytics. It uses data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. It's like a crystal ball, but backed by science and data.
It's widely used in healthcare, marketing, finance, and many other fields.
So whether it's automatically sorting your emails, recommending you a movie, recognizing your face in a photo, or predicting future trends, AI is at work. And all this is just the tip of the iceberg. The applications of machine learning and deep learning are vast and growing every day. It's an exciting time to be alive, isn't it? Let's move on to something really interesting. The everyday applications of AI. It's fascinating to see how AI has seamlessly integrated into our lives. It's like we're living in a sci-fi movie, but without the menacing robots, of course. One of the most common applications of AI that we interact with daily is voice assistants. Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, these are all powered by AI. They use natural language processing and machine learning to understand our commands, learn from our preferences, and get better over time. And then we have smart home devices, another product of AI, thermostats that adjust the temperature based on your habits, security systems that alert you of any unusual activity, or light bulbs that switch off when you leave the room. AI is making our homes smarter and our lives. But one of the most exciting applications of AI is undoubtedly self-driving cars. Now, yes, cars that drive themselves. It's not just a concept in sci-fi movies anymore. Self-driving cars are here, and they're getting better every day. They use a combination of sensors, cameras, radars, and AI to navigate, avoid obstacles, obey traffic rules, and even make decisions in complex situations. From helping you find the quickest route to work, to predicting what song you'd like to listen to next, AI is transforming our lifestyle in ways we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. It's making our lives more comfortable, more efficient, and in many ways, more enjoyable. But it's not just about convenience and efficiency. AI is also helping us solve complex problems, make more informed decisions, and even save lives. For instance, AI is being used to predict natural disasters, diagnose diseases, and even predict traffic congestions. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that's always there, always learning, and always ready to help. And how cool is that? All right, let's shift gears a bit and delve into a more serious aspect of AI, the ethical implications and societal impact. As much as AI is transforming our lives for the better, it's also raising some important questions and concerns that we need to address. One of the key concerns with AI is privacy. With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, there are legitimate concerns about how this data is being used and who has access to it. The potential for misuse of personal information is a real threat in the age of AI. Consequently, it's essential to have stringent data privacy laws and ethical guidelines in place for AI systems. Then there's the concern about job displacement. As AI and automation become more advanced, they're increasingly capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans. This could potentially lead to job losses in certain sectors. However, it's also important to note that while AI might replace certain jobs, it's also creating new ones that we couldn't have envisioned a few years ago. It's more about job displacement rather than job replacement. It's a topic that sparks a lot of debate, and there's no clear consensus. On a broader scale, there are also concerns about the potential misuse of AI. For instance, the use of AI in autonomous weapons or surveillance systems can pose significant ethical and societal challenges. It's a complex issue, and it's vital that we have robust ethical frameworks and regulations in place to guide the development and use of AI. Despite these concerns, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. If used responsibly and ethically, AI has the potential to solve some of our biggest challenges and create a future that's more efficient, more sustainable, and more equitable. So while the ethical implications and societal impact of AI are important considerations, they shouldn't overshadow the immense potential that AI holds. It's about finding the right balance and ensuring that as we advance in this exciting field, we do so responsibly and ethically. It's a tall order, but I believe we're up to the task. Now, let's look into the future and discuss the future prospects of AI. It's a bit like gazing into a crystal ball. Only this one is backed by data, trends, and a fair bit of educated guesswork. AI has immense potential to revolutionize various industries. In healthcare, for instance, AI could be used to predict diseases, personalize treatments, and even assist in complex surgeries. In agriculture, AI could help optimize crop yield, manage resources more efficiently, and contribute to sustainable farming practices. In education, AI could offer personalized learning experiences, automate administrative tasks, and even identify learning gaps. The transportation industry is already being transformed with self-driving cars, but AI could also play a significant role in optimizing logistics, improving traffic management, and even in space exploration. Think about a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past, or where we have self-driving spacecraft exploring distant planets. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? As for the job market, AI is creating a whole new set of roles and opportunities. Data scientists, AI specialists, machine learning engineers, these roles didn't even exist a few years ago. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more new career paths to emerge. To pursue a career in AI, you need a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. But it's not just about technical skills. Problem solving, creativity, and a knack for innovation are equally important. And given how fast the field is evolving, a passion for continuous learning would be a definite plus. The journey of AI, from a concept in science fiction to a reality, has been nothing short of extraordinary. And the future, well, it looks even more exciting. AI isn't just about machines and algorithms. It's a tool that can help us unlock new possibilities, solve complex problems, and shape a future that's more efficient, more sustainable, and more equitable. It's a new frontier, and we're just getting started. So, buckle up, because the journey ahead is going to be one heck of a ride.